Hey, Kanye, did she put her fingers up your booty?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, bitch. And in today's video, we will be dressing up as Poison fucking Ivy. I had ordered a 20 pack of wigs. I also had like the stickers to install the wig instead of like the whole glue method, but I guess we're gonna have to do that. So yeah, I'm excited. But of course, before we actually get into the makeup, cheers, bitch. So we got this 26-inch bust down. I made sure to get the color that it says on Google. Okay, what Poison Ivy's hair is. We won't need this anymore. What the fuck is this? Whatever keeps this shit in the wig cap, that's all that matters. All right. 1 down, fucking 5 to go. I will be doing the same routine that I did in the Picture Perfect makeup, so if you guys want to go watch that video, you can go ahead. I'll kind of go through it quick, so if you want like a little tutorial-ish type shit, that's the video. Period. I'm gonna have these 2 braids kind of loop around, and it's gonna go up like this. Just spray it, right? I know we just wanna do that. Spray a line around your hairline right here, okay? Ooh, period. These better be good too, dude. Okay, so I look like that one fucking emoji from my fucking eyebrow. Okay. I went to my beauty supply and homegirl recommended this one, so hey, let's try it. Cut it into 3 parts so we could glue each side perfectly. Clip this shit up. Right. So same thing. Right on top. I also got a hot comb from TikTok shop as well. I'm gonna use this wax that I've had since last year. I'm gonna wax it down, right? Now we're gonna take a robe thingy, right, and we're gonna place it in the middle of our head evenly, and we're gonna split this in the middle, and we're basically gonna do heatless curls. I'll start with like little pieces, grab it, wrap, next piece, grab it, then wrap. So I'm gonna grab the bang. I'm gonna wrap that. Two times, and then same thing. Okay, so this shit is glued on. I can feel that shit glued on. Okay, now we're gonna cut this off. All right, I feel like we hit a checkpoint. You know, we got this done. We got some moisturizer on our face, take a little cute hit, and then we ready to get on with it. I'm so fucking excited because it's like, bitch, I already know this is gonna eat. Like, cover them up with some concealer. Oh, this is the Athena face palette. I don't know if I was gonna say that, but it's the same palette that I used last year for my looks, and it went pretty crazy last year. I loved last year's looks. Don't get me wrong, I love this year's too. Don't get me wrong. But last year's was just a little bit more like gore, scary, spooky shit. Like, it was cute. It was cute, spooky shit. To make it easier on us, I'm just gonna clean it up with the Q-tip so none of that shit will get on my brush. And just basically paint my face. I'm gonna put the concealer, and then I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows with the same concealer right here. Deary. Okay, I can't stop saying that. Now we're gonna blend this all over. make it all soft. Regular contour first. Let's do some eyeshadow real quick. Go in with this powder right here. Clean everything up. So we're gonna add more green. And since the powder's there, it's supposed to like make it a little bit more cleaner, you know? So speaking of, we're gonna use this motherfucker's palette. It's the only palette that I have that has green. Okay. So we're just gonna doop 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 doop. For lashes, you bitches already know, and for the hoes that don't, shop this VX ho. Ta-da, bitch. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of the black right here, and I'm just gonna color. Oh my goodness, now it's time for the motherfucking outfit. Hey guys, this is the end of the look as well as the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, of course. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit down below, and I'll see you bad bitches in the next video. I love you guys.